I welcome you to this meditation session focused on observing your mind without attachment. So friends, find a comfortable and quiet space to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. As you settle into this meditation, bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the sensation of each inhale and exhale, letting it anchor to you to present moment. Now shift your attention to your thoughts. Imagine your mind as a vast open sky and thoughts as passing clouds. As thoughts arise, simply observe them without judgment or attachment. Allow them to come and go like cloud passing through the sky. If your mind starts to wander or gets carried away by a thought, gently bring it back to your breath and the present moment. Witness how thoughts can trigger emotions or physical sensations. Observe these experiences, acknowledging their presence without getting caught up in them. Let everything be as it is without trying to change or control anything. If you find yourself getting attached to a particular thought, remind yourself that it's okay. Non-attachment is a practice and it's natural for the mind to wander. Return to the role of an observer, embracing the impermanent nature of thoughts and feelings. Continue to watch your mind like an impartial witness, patiently observing the ebb and flow of thoughts, emotions, and sensations. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that observes them. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that observes them. You are not your thought. You are the awareness that observes them. As you are near the end of this meditation, take a moment to appreciate yourself for engaging in this practice. Know that you can return to this space of observation anytime You need to gain clarity and inner peace. When ready, gently open your eyes, maintaining a sense of mindfulness as you carry this non-attached awareness into your daily life. And thank yourself for dedicating this time to observe your mind without attachment.